We want to do a photo session, but not everybody can get their bike together. It's very difficult with all the vehicles coming up and down. So there is cars, trucks all coming, and the motorhome. It's a big problem. So let's see if we can get all together and get some pictures before we move on to the next destination. It's a bit late already. People Sean, Alan, they've want to ride back to all the way to Bristol from here. So they must leave very soon. Get some photos and we will move on from here.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we are doing the Hardknott Pass. The Hardknott Pass, we are doing a full loop of Forest of Bowland and we are covering as part of it. I'm just only doing a short video just to cover the Hardknott Pass, and when you watch the whole video you will understand how difficult it is for a beginner. So if you are coming as a beginner rider, so just make sure that you got plenty of support around you, because it's not that easy if something happened to reach by people or reach by any support. As you can see on the left hand side, there is a sign says Hardknott Pass. So I guess it starts here, and it's about only 7 or 8 miles a long ride, but it will take you a good 40 to 45 minutes to finish the whole ride. So there's a car coming. I'm not sure if we can just use pass. It's going to be a bit tight. Just give the person a little bit of space, so just save myself. I definitely say, it's one of the most beautiful places I have been around this country. It's beautiful ride, and there are some nice, beautiful twisty roads. It's epic. I don't know what else I would say. It's beautiful, very, very beautiful. Definitely, come on, all the riders, get your gear out, get your bike out, and come and see. Ride through the forest of Bowl and enjoy this beautiful place. I think, as you can see in the horizon, we are going down the hill from here. I don't know how difficult it's going to be. It's going to be interesting. Let's find out. Oh, this bend look very, very sharp. So we just need to be extreme careful when we get all the way to the to our destination. I'm not quite sure how many sharp bends are there on our way down, but just enjoy the ride. I'm sure it's going to be exciting. This part actually looked like Munnar, back in India where I come from, in a hometown. There is a tea estate. It looked like we are riding through Munnar. It's very similar, but it's a definitely it's a different place, different scenario. But I'm really, really enjoying this ride. As you come to the end of the pass, this is the only place which is open at the moment, so just make sure you get here, eat something before you set off if you haven't got any food with you. Otherwise you can make your way into Windermere or any of the fuel station and get something to eat. And the only thing what I forgot to mention during the ride was just make sure you got enough fuel in your tank. Just fill it up. Otherwise, there are no fuel stations on your way, so you will find again that will be a problem. So I guess the pass is finished here. Now we are on our way back to Windermere and get home from there. The guys got a very long ride. So if you enjoyed this video, just make sure you like, share, and subscribe my channel. And we'll be coming back with more of these riding videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.